This is my Sonar Scanner project using Arduino and processing. It scans for objects using an ultrasonic sensor mounted on a servo motor. The data is sent to my laptop and visualized in real time like a radar. It's compact, easy to build, and I'll show the time lapse in a moment. These are the main components I used: an Arduino UNO, ultrasonic sensor, SG90 servo motor, jumper wires, and a USB cable. I used simple tools like a breadboard as a stand, a hot glue gun, scissors, and some double-sided tape. To begin the build, I inserted all the jumper wires into the Arduino UNO. Each wire was then connected to the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor, matching the wiring diagram I planned earlier. I placed the servo motor on the breadboard, using it as a simple stand. After plugging in the motor, I powered up the hot glue gun and waited for it to heat. Once ready, I carefully glued the ultrasonic sensor and servo motor into position to keep them steady. Next, I used double-sided tape underneath the breadboard to stick it firmly to the Arduino. This helped keep everything in place without needing a frame or base. I made sure all the connections were tight and secure. Finally, I connected the Arduino to my laptop through the USB cable, and the hardware side of the build was complete. I opened the Arduino IDE and loaded my code. Selected Arduino UNO as the board and COM6 as the port. Then I clicked upload, and once it said done uploading, it was ready. After uploading the Arduino code, I opened processing and ran the sketch. The radar window appeared, visualizing the servo's motion in real time. It draws green lines for open space and red ones whenever it detects an object nearby. It's fully synced with the ultrasonic sensor and looks super clean. Here's a live demo of the Sonar Scanner. The servo rotates and scans using the ultrasonic sensor. Objects closer than 100 centimeters appear as red lines on the radar. It updates in real time, smooth, simple, and effective. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool Arduino and tech builds like this one.